Hi guys, my name is Andre and I'm the intern Power BI developer and data analyst at About IT. Today we're going to learn the potential in Power BI, what can be built, what can be created, and how much more potential Power BI has that makes it so great. So let's start off with what is Power BI? Well, essentially, Power BI is a business analytic tool that is aimed to provide businesses with more insight on how their business is doing financially, how well it is operating, as well as showing outlying key factors that can help a business better understand the direction that is going in through interactive, self-automated visualizations and reports that can easily be viewed and understood for end users. All right, so I have this report here that I put together, which basically shows clients, cost, and sale. But as you can see, it is a bit empty, so we're definitely going to add a bit more into it. We're going to start off with a filter. There is currently no year for all these sales transactions, so we're going to add a date to it. We're going to select slicer, make this a bit more small. We're going to move it over. And the reason why we do this is so that we're going to go transaction date, and we're going to go year. The reason why we do this is so that we can see specifically more detail, for example, in which year these transactions took place. So this data is currently showing from 2013 to 2020, and if we select it, it will filter accordingly, which is great. Slices not only can be used for dates, they can be used, for example, clients, filtering by a client. They can be filtered by a company or filtered by projects on this dropdown, which is great. The next thing we're going to do, we want to see a bit more visualizations on this report. So we're going to focus on sales over time. We're going to choose a line chart, move it a bit down, move it across, and we're going to choose sales, we're going to choose costs, and we're going to say over a period of months in a year. And as you can see, we filtered for 2018, and now we can see for this whole year, the sales and costs. And we can change it and it will filter accordingly, which is great. We can see the financial direction of the business. The next, we want to see a bit more. We want to actually see the profit for this company. So we're going to write a DAX measure. We're going to click on new measure. We want to see the total profit for this company. So we're going to call it total profit. And we're going to write. We're going to say the sum of sales minus sum of cost. We're going to close it and we're going to say execute. And basically what DAX is, it's a written calculation or formula that can be used sometimes to get more in-depth information that we want or make it display a bit better. I think it worked. And we can add it here to our chart. See if I can see it here. Total profit. There we go. Now we can see the total profit for cost and sale, which is great. That gives us a bit of a better indication of if we made a profit or a loss. The next we're going to do is we want to do top 10 clients for this year. So we create a table. I'm going to move it down. Move this up. Move this over, and we're going to say clients. Instead of looking for it, I'll just Google it or type it in. We're going to say cost and sales. And we can also say profit, or let's just do profit. Let's just say profit for this year to see which of our clients are the most profitable. All right, but we want to see now top 10, not all of them. So we're going to go year. Sorry, we're going to go year. And we're going to say top N, we're going to change that to 10, and we're going to say based on total profit. We're going to say apply. And there you will see from top to bottom, our top 10 most profitable clients that we get most of our money in. All right, so The purpose of this video was to quickly and simply demonstrate the basics of what Power BI can do, and also a little bit more on how much potential it has to create different visualizations. If I wanted to make it a bit more nice, you can see a bit more clearly the visualizations here. I can add a card, and I can say the card's for cost and the card is for sales. And even though that information is displaying here at the bottom, it's just visually better for the eye to see the total amount. And there you go. So this is the potential in Power BI. Power BI can build so many more visualizations, so many more dashboards and reports, and profitability statements, stuff like that, where you can choose what you exactly want to see. This was just a brief description of what Power BI can do and all its capabilities, and I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much. That will be all for today.